Want to give your laptop a fresh and aesthetic look? Hey guys, welcome back into my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a personalized and unique laptop wallpaper in just a few steps. But before we dive in, I want to share a tool that has been a game changer for me as an architecture student, especially now we're starting to plan for our research project. This video is made possible by Scrintal and their latest version, Playground for the Mind, a visual workspace that helps you organize, brainstorm, and connect ideas effortlessly. So if you're dealing with research, complex projects, or creative workflows, this tool will completely transform how you work. So let me show you how I use it in preparation for our design research. First is organized ideation. Scrintal's block-based structure helps me break down complex ideas into manageable sections. Another is their effortless expansion. I can start with a main topic and link supporting documents, notes, and even attachments like a concept board for research inspiration, keeping everything connected in one place. They also have AI-powered assistants. The AI assistant suggests ideas, organizes my thoughts, and even highlights gaps I might have missed. So it helps in condenses large amounts of information, making it easier to grasp key insights. Their visual planning. With interactive blocks, color-coded backgrounds, and header styles, I can structure my research visually, making planning more intuitive. They also have ready-to-use templates. Scrintal offers customizable templates, whether for brainstorming, project planning, or note-taking. Next is their seamless collaboration. Whether working solo or in a team, Scrintal makes it easy to share boards and get quick feedback, perfect for group projects. So if you're looking for a better way to organize your ideas, click the link in my description below and use the code Stationerypal to try Scrintal's Playground for the Mind today. And yes, that is all for Scrintal, and now let's get back into the video. So step 1, know your theme. First, decide on a theme. Do you want it to look minimalist, colorful, vintage, or pastel? So having a clear theme in mind makes the design process easier. Step 2, find photos on Pinterest. So next, head over to Pinterest and search for photos that match your chosen theme. Save and download your favorites so you can use them later. Step 3, open Canva and set the dimensions. So now open Canva and create a custom design. Set the dimensions to match your laptop's screen resolution. So for example, 1920 by 1080 pixels is a common size, but in my case, I will be using 2560 by 1600. Step 4, upload your photos. Upload the photos you saved from Pinterest to Canva so they're easily accessible while designing your wallpaper. So now let's start decorating our laptop wallpaper. So first, choose a background that fits your theme. Go to the Elements tab, select your desired background, and lock its position to keep it in place. So in this case, I'm just gonna use a pink gradient. Step 5. Use frames to add photos. Use Canva's frame elements to organize your photos creatively. Simply drag and drop your images into the frames for a clean, polished look. Next is to search for square shadow. So click any shadow that you want and just adjust its transparency. So repeat this process for other photos that you want to include. And don't forget to group the photos with their shadows to keep them intact. So do you want a functional laptop wallpaper? So step 6 is to add a calendar. You can open another Canva tab and search for a 2025 calendar and choose either a free or a pro template. So once you choose a template, just click the Customize this template, select the calendar, copy it, and paste it into the Canva tab we're currently working on. So if needed, you can add a new page before pasting. And in here, I will just add a shape and a shadow behind the calendar for better contrast. Next is to customize the font and colors to match your theme. Step 7. Modify and edit. So just play around with the design. You can adjust the layout, resize images, and experiment with different fonts or colors. So this is your chance to make it truly yours. Step 8. Add photos and extra elements. So add your selected photos along with fun elements like vinyl records or a CD player graphic for a unique touch. So here I'm just going to use Blackpink's CD player to match my theme. So for the CD player, you have to add a circle frame where you can place the CD player photo. And you can even upload an album cover for a more personalized vibe. Then you can add some shapes to make it as its background. I also added here a shadow for the CD player and adjust its transparency. The same with the album cover. So this one is kind of optional, but if you want it to pop, then try adding some shadows. And then add an animation to it. So here I'm gonna use this animation so it will rotate like a vinyl player. Next is I will add this play button. So this is also optional, but if you want, you can add some and just search for it on the Elements tab here in Canva. You can also adjust its color depending on your theme. Next is to use shapes to neatly organize your desktop apps. Example is adding shapes for university apps, miscellaneous files, etc. Just edit it and adjust its size. You can also add some shadows if you want. Step 8. Add photos and extra elements. We're gonna go back to Pinterest and search for icons that will complement your theme. So this one is optional, but you can choose whatever icons that you want depending on your theme. Save the images and upload it again to Canva. Enhance your wallpaper by adding your selected photos and unique design elements. Consider incorporating fun designs to give it a personalized touch. So you can choose whatever you want. You can choose it based on your theme. So if you're a Canva Pro user, you can use the background remover tool for clean cutouts. So if not, you can try a free background remover online. So I will just also include the link to this free background remover website. You can also add GIFs for dynamic elements. Then here in Canva, just edit everything and adjust its size that will fit and complement with other elements. Step 9. Include more design elements. You can make your wallpaper stand out by exploring Canva's library for some icons, doodles, quotes, or other elements. So these small details can add personality and style to your design. So in here, I will add this to-do list section by using a shape. So this will be a blank space where you can download a to-do list app and then you can pin it whenever your wallpaper is done so that you can easily jot down some reminders or tasks for the day. Then on the other side, you can add some inspiring quote, a Bible verse, or your personal mantra to keep you motivated. Step 10. Save and apply your wallpaper. So once you're happy with the final design, preview your wallpaper to ensure all elements are properly placed and that there is enough space at the bottom for the Windows taskbar. Save it as a GIF. If you have included animated elements, an alternative way to save your wallpaper is in Canva. You have to download it as MP4. Then use an online MP4 to GIF converter. Then select the wallpaper file we saved a while ago. Then you can also adjust its settings, and once you're okay with it, click on the convert button and just wait for it, then download the file. So now let's apply the wallpaper. So if you're using an animated wallpaper, first is we have to download this app, which is the Lively wallpaper from the Microsoft Store. Open the app and click the plus icon to add your GIF wallpaper. Select your file and click OK to confirm. And click on your newly added wallpaper and it will instantly apply to your desktop. And that's it. A few simple steps to transform your laptop into something that truly reflects your style. So once you set up your wallpaper, you can now fix or organize your laptop apps depending on the organizers that you placed. So you can adjust them or organize them based on university apps, miscellaneous apps, your files, etc. And in here, I will add this to-do list app. So this is already downloaded in my computer. And you can use it to list down your to-do list for the day. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're a student or a creative thinker, check out Scrintal's Playground for the Mind. So click on the link in the description box below and use my code Stationerypal to explore it today. And that is all. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye guys!